Friends, welcome to Digital Insights Nexus. Do you recall the era when online advertising demanded an arduous and time consuming manual process? It was a period where negotiating with vendors and advertisers, drafting contracts individually for each, and obtaining approvals consumed considerable time and effort. And after navigating through this long process, there remained the task of determining reporting formats. Now, these reports also had to be meticulously crafted on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis to gauge the campaign's performance. Oh, those were indeed the days before the advent of programmatic advertising. In the pre programmatic era, the digital advertising landscape was very different. Marketeers lacked the automation and efficiency that we now take for granted. Every step of the advertising journey was a manual endeavor, from negotiating deals to analyzing campaign results. However, despite its challenges, this period laid the groundwork for the sophisticated and streamlined processes we enjoy today. If you are a practicing digital marketer or somebody who's intrigued by the field, you've likely encountered the term programmatic. But what exactly does this term mean? How did it come to be? Let's delve into the evolution of modern programmatic advertising. Initially, the interaction between advertiser and publishers involved direct negotiations to finalize campaign deals. Advertisers such as Nike or Coca-Cola would approach publishers such as, say, New York Times or BuzzFeed to secure ad placements on their platforms. These deals were often time-consuming and required extensive manual coordination. However, as the digital landscape expanded, managing these interactions became increasingly complex. Now, publishers had to engage with numerous advertisers and vice versa, leading to inefficiencies in the process. This challenge prompted the emergence of ad networks. So, ad networks like Google AdSense or Media.net served as intermediary, leveraging technology to connect advertisers with publishers through a unified interface. Advertisers could reach a broader audience by tapping into the network's inventory, while publishers could monetize their digital real estate more effectively. While ad networks offered convenience, they also brought their own set of challenges. The proliferation of ad networks led to a fragmented ecosystem, making it difficult for advertisers and publishers to manage multiple networks effectively. Now, to address this issue, ad exchanges entered the scene. Ad exchanges such as, say, OpenX or DoubleClick Ad Exchange function as platforms where ad inventory is bought and sold in real-time auctions. Advertisers can bid on available ad space across a wide range of publishers, while publishers can maximize their revenue potential by auctioning off their inventory to the highest bidder. However, the intricacies of ad exchanges require technical expertise, making them inaccessible to advertisers and publishers directly. To bridge this gap, demand-side platform DSPs and supply-side platform SSPs emerged. DSP and SSP as they are called. Now, DSP, like the Trade Desk or MediaMath, empower advertisers to programmatically buy ad inventory across multiple ad exchanges. These platforms offer advanced targeting options and real-time bidding capabilities, which allows advertisers to optimize their campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Now, on the other hand, SSPs such as, say, Rubicon Project or Programmatic enable publishers to manage and optimize their ad inventory. Publishers can actually set pricing rules, access detailed analytics, and control which advertisers can bid on their inventory, which maximizes the revenue opportunities in the programmatic ecosystem. So now that you understand how this entire ecosystem evolved, this picture encapsulates the entire journey. In essence, the evolution of programmatic advertising reflects the industry's journey towards automation, efficiency, and scalability. By leveraging technology and specialized platforms like DSP and SSPs, advertisers and publishers can navigate the complexities of the digital advertising landscape with greater ease and effectiveness. Now that we have explored the evolution of programmatic advertising and grasped its macro framework, let's delve deeper into how it operates. Understanding the mechanics of programmatic advertising, its various types, and its distinct advantages over traditional media buying is especially crucial for marketers looking to stay ahead in the digital landscape. So, what exactly makes up the world of programmatic advertising? So far, we've encountered several key players along the way. So far, number one was advertisers. Now, these are the entities looking to connect with the target audience through digital advertising. Brands like Nike and Coca-Cola are some of the examples, but there can be umpteen number of examples. The second one was publishers. These are the owners or managers of websites offering ad spaces for sale. Publishers such as BBC.com, NDTV.com, and the New York Times, etc., are some of the examples. The third one that we have encountered is ad exchange, which are acting as the digital marketplace. Ad exchanges actually facilitate the connection between advertiser and publishers through real-time auctions. Platforms like Programmatic are some of the examples, though there are a lot of ad exchanges. Then we encounter DSPs, which is demand-side platforms. These software solutions serve as the tools used by advertisers to access ad exchanges, bid on available ad impressions, and purchase ad space. DSPs like Criteo, Facebook Ad Manager, Xandr, and InMobi empower advertisers to optimize their advertising strategies effectively. And these are also some of the examples of DSP. Then we have SSPs. SSPs enable actually publishers to make their ad space available to ad exchanges. Platforms such as OpenX and Google Ad Manager facilitate the seamless integration of publishers into the programmatic advertising ecosystem. And these are also the examples of SSPs. Now, the fundamental process of programmatic advertising follows a very simple path. Advertisers leverage DSPs to access ad exchange, where they bid on and purchase ad impressions from publishers who have plugged into exchanges via SSPs. Now, the most wonderful thing about programmatic advertising or buying is that it all happens in the blink of an eye thanks to the built-in automation. Now, we will look at how programmatic advertising works and break down what's happening behind the scenes during each programmatic ad auction. The first one is targeting. So when a user visits a website, the publisher's platform puts the ad space up for grabs. At the same time, the DSP leverages activity data to figure out which ads would be a good match. Second one is bidding. In milliseconds, the DSP automatically calculates and places bids for that ad spot based on all the data. Then we have ad serving. The advertisers with the highest bid wins and their ad instantly appears to the visiting user. Now we come to optimization. With every impression, advertisers gather performance data to optimize future bids and improve targeting. Now this all happens rapidly thanks to real-time bidding technology, RTB technology as it is called. RTB enables advertisers to bid on a single impression at a time, quickly analyzing everything to serve the most relevant ad. Unlike traditional methods, programmatic marketing combines user data, behavioral patterns, and real-time insights to automate precise ad buying on a large scale. Okay, so now that we've grasped how programmatic advertising functions, let's delve into why it's a smart choice and the advantages it offers over, say, traditional media buying methods. See, the era of limited data and guesswork associated with traditional ad buying is gone now. Today, thanks to real-time data and automation, programmatic advertising operates at a pace which surpasses human capabilities. With this automation, you can execute more nimble campaigns which adapt swiftly to current trends and connect with your audience precisely when and how often they are most receptive. Now, so rather than being tied down by the minor details of evaluating placements, programmatic marketing liberates your time to concentrate on strategic elements such as, say, number one, establishing clear KPIs, then analyzing campaign performance, enhancing ad targeting and design, and finally exploring additional programmatic opportunities. Now, this was theory. Let's talk about real world impact. So, what is the bottom line of all this precision targeting and automation? So, consider this scenario. A health and fitness brand targets millennials aged 25 to 34 who prioritize fitness and healthy eating. With programmatic advertising, they can fine tune parameters like age, interest, online behaviors, and even location. As a result, their ads automatically appear on health focused blogs, video platforms, and relevant social media pages frequented by their target audience. By engaging with the most relevant and interested audience precisely when they are most receptive, advertisers boost brand awareness, drive engagement, and foster customer loyalty. So, this was just a small case study of programmatic. Now, before we delve into using programmatic, let's understand the types of programmatic advertising available. So that we can decide which one or a combination of which ones to use for our campaigns. So, programmatic advertising primarily consists of 5 types. Number one, and the most famous one, is display ads. These are the traditional banner ads which appear on various websites. They can be customized to target specific audiences accurately. Then we have video ads. These are perfect for storytelling and engaging viewers. Video ads are an effective way to capture attention. Marketers can efficiently reach their target audience with highly targeted video ads through programmatic advertising. Then we have native ads. See, have you ever noticed a sponsored article or post which seamlessly blend into the content you are browsing? That's native advertising. It's a sponsored content presented in a way which feels natural to the platform. Then we have CTV, connected TV. So with more people shifting from traditional television to streaming platforms, CTV advertising allows ads on streaming services and apps reaching a wide range of viewers. Then we have digital out of home. Think of this as the modern version of traditional billboards. Screens in public spaces such as bus stops and elevators display dynamic ads which can change in real time based on data. For example, during the morning school drop-off period, DOOH ads near a school may display ads tailored to parents. Now, most programmatic advertisers utilize a combination of these types. When executed effectively, it enables them to tell their brand story across display, video, and native ads, ultimately culminating in a compelling CTV ad. Now, this cross-platform storytelling approach is highly effective in cutting through the noise in today's busy digital landscape. Now, let's take a glimpse into the future of programmatic advertising. As technology continues to evolve, several trends are shaping the landscape. The first one is rise of AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing programmatic advertising by enabling more accurate audience targeting, real-time bidding optimization, and personalized ad experiences. Then we have the case of data privacy. With growing concerns over data privacy, regulations like GDPR and CCPA are reshaping how advertisers collect, use, and store consumer data. Advertisers must adapt to these regulations while maintaining effective targeting strategies. Then we have the outcome-driven metrics. Advertisers are now shifting focus from traditional metrics like impressions and clicks to outcome-driven metrics such as conversions, sales, return on ad spend, ROAS as it's called. This shift allows advertisers to measure the real impact of their campaigns on business objectives. As programmatic advertising continues to evolve, staying updated with trends is crucial for marketers to remain competitive in the digital landscape. By embracing advancements in AI, prioritizing data privacy, and focusing on outcome-driven metrics, advertisers can maximize the effectiveness of their programmatic campaigns. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Digital Insights Nexus. We hope you found this discussion